This is Repair Rider, and I'm going to show you how to improve your idle on a Stihl chainsaw. So in your Stihl chainsaw, it might not start, and mine thankfully does. But the thing is it won't idle. What you're going to need to help this is you're just going to need a little screwdriver. This is a Stihl brand actually screwdriver. We got this with a Stihl chainsaw that we bought. So, anyways, so this is what's wrong with it. You can listen to it and it'll bog down. Let's run it really light, and then it'll eventually just shut off completely. So, the way to fix this is you'll see on the chainsaws, they've got this little hole right here, and then this diagram right here. So what you're gonna do, stick this in the hole, and then twist it. See, so it says that way's up, that way's minus. So you know if you twist it up, and then that'll make your engine run hotter, and then down is lower. So you add that couple twists onto there, and then throw your engine back up. So after it starts to idle for a little bit, you might want to increase, and then typically you can get a feel for it, or when's going to shut off and that kind of stuff. So that is how to adjust the idle on a Stihl chainsaw. Hope this video helped. More videos coming soon.